ready to turn your business dreams into a thriving online reality in Pakistan. Let's get your Shopify store up and running. First things first, head over to Shopify's website and sign up for a free trial. You'll need an email address, password, and a store name. Think of something catchy and relevant to your niche. Once your trial is active, explore the different Shopify plans and choose the one that best suits your business needs and budget. Don't worry, you can always upgrade later as you grow. Now for the exciting part, adding your products. Upload high-quality images, write compelling descriptions that highlight your unique selling points, and set your prices. Make sure to categorize them logically for easy browsing. Next, let's make your store visually appealing. Shopify offers a variety of customizable themes. Browse through them, select one that reflects your brand identity, and start customizing colors, fonts, and layouts to create a professional look. Crucially for Pakistan, let's tackle payments. Shopify integrates with various payment gateways. Research popular and reliable options available in Pakistan, such as Stripe, PayPal if applicable in your region, or local bank transfers and card options that you can integrate through third-party apps. Configure the payment methods that are most convenient for your customers. Shipping is another key consideration. Set up your shipping zones and rates within Shopify. Explore popular local courier services in Pakistan for reliable delivery. You can configure flat rates, weight-based rates, or even free shipping for certain orders. Before launching, remember legalities. Ensure you understand and comply with any business registration requirements and tax regulations specific to operating an e-commerce business in Pakistan. It's always wise to consult with a local legal professional if needed. With your products, theme, payments, and shipping sorted, you're almost there. Preview your store, test out the checkout process, and add essential pages like About Us and Contact Us. Then hit that launch button and open for business. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Shopify store in Pakistan. Now go out there and start selling.